the best school in the world. That's true. So if Marbury says it's the best school in the world, let me hear y'all make some noise. Take that mess from off the wall. Get that baby back in the floor. That's true. There's other ways to get involved. Get involved, get involved. You first. Go back. You ready to go back? Come on. What's your name? Leo. Name a Bahamian artist. Johnny K. I'm going to say something, and then I want you guys to respond, okay? I believe in me. I believe in me. Oh, why you gonna say that, Johnny? I believe in me. I can be anything. Leaders are leaders, and you are the future of the Bahamas. Dream big, work hard, and most of all, believe in yourself. Thank you, guys.